such a wonderful party today. Joining for the Thanksgiving party for the teachers. You have completed grade 10 students. You have completed the board examinations. And just you are ready to take the board examinations. Sorry, pre-board examinations. You are ready to take the board examinations. You are already trying. The main thing is life should be colorful means you should have the life skills. Just we don't like the students with the grade 9 or 10. We want the student of holistic learning, all-round development. And we don't treat as the bright student if you get the 9th grade or 10th grade. If you are good at the holistic learning, if you are good at the sports, if you are good at the games, if you are good at the cultural events, if you are good at the attitudes towards teachers, classmates and the parents, then we treat you as the good student. And just not academics, just not going to give you anything in the life. And sometimes what happens in the life, the bright student might not be getting or settling in the life, but the backbench student will be doing many wonders in the life. So there is no guarantee that if I get grades, good grades, I am the 90% student, my life will be colorful. There is no guarantee at all. Your life will be colorful if you are good at academics. Your life will be colorful only when you have the life skills. The class is going on, suddenly some electric circuit, some problem is there. Who will respond in the class first? Who will respond? Who is that? Pardon? Who will respond? Class is going on. Some electric circuit is there. And most of the students they try to run away from the class. And sometimes teachers also might be planning to try to run away from the class. But who is trying to sort out the issue immediately and who is trying to going to the main and switch off the main, or wherever you have the switches in the classroom and try to switch off that is called the life skill. So that is very, very important for the life. Just marks, grades, and I already told you in Pariksha Pe Charcha program that one student secured good marks in IIT. He got the seat, he completed the course. When he went for the interview in multinational company, he did not get selected. Because that academics part is not going to finalize everything in the life. Maybe 90%, 99% sometimes. The certificate of IIT, maybe Kanpur or Bombay, is not going to give the job. That you should have the talent, that where you know about multinational companies, they see the communication skills and soft skills. Even if you are 90% student, if you are not good at communication, and if you don't have the soft skills, and if you don't have the life skills, leadership skills, definitely that your certificate of the 90% is going to be waste like anything. It's very important, all-round development is very important, and the bright students, you start learning other skills. You might be having many skills, maybe you might be good at dance, singing, or the sports, we carry all the things in the life. And the backbench students, that you do not have to worry about the academics. Generally, whenever I told you that when there is some circuit in the classroom, naturally backbench students will respond more. So, yes? So that is life skill. So they have that skills. And sometimes when you go to the ground, the backbench students will be like anything. So that students slowly should develop the academics also. And those who are good at the academics, you should learn the life skills also. So we have to balance the life. It's not going only, I am 99% student, I am very good student. Then what? You are the bright student, your 99% will be accepted when you have some other skill in the life. Maybe singing, dance, maybe sports, games. Many things that are very important. And we have to upgrade from time to time. Earlier, but I got selected for the master trainers where we have to train the trainers in CBSE who are acting as the trainers already, where we call it in CBSE language resource person. That training started, that we thought as we are the master trainers and they are going to train like anything. After half day, they started checking the master trainers one by one should come onto the dais, they have to dance. What way this dance is related to the trainers? Is it? Really? Yes, it is required. And I always tell in my trainings, all the teachers, you know it, teacher should be an actor in the classroom. That voice modulation should be there. Body language should be there. When we read something dialogue, the dialogue delivery should be there. Exactly how we deliver the dialogue. Not reading. When there is a question, that your delivery should be, question should be like that in the classroom. But now they started asking dance. I am not good at the dance. But many international principals, they started dancing like anything. And fortunately, I did not get my chance. And again, they are going to conduct the trainings in the April, and I should get ready for that. So why I tell you this one? Why I tell you this one is that upgrading is going like anything. The trends are changing like anything. In earlier, dance is not required for the trainer. So they thought of training is like anything. The subject will move on like anything. Maybe after the off session, they want to have 10-15 minutes dance session. By that, the participants will get refreshed. That is the idea of the Center of Excellence by CBSE. So that now the trainers have to learn the dance. That where earlier we tried to deliver the dialogue and act in the classroom for the trainings. But now it is added. So no question of experience. I am the teacher of 25 years experience, 30 years experience. It's not like that. And we have to upgrade from time to time. That's very, very important for the teacher. Things are changing like anything. And one more thing, that to control the students, to motivate the students, that we should know more than that. How they use the mobile, how the mobile is misused, we should know it as the teachers. So apart from the subject, might be mathematics or anything. And what are the behavioral issues in the students? So how to control that? So we have to learn it. So we are always learners, no question of the 15 years. Subject experience is not required that much, but we have to learn everything. So on this occasion, I suggest all the students, be happy in the life. If you want to be happy in the life, you should be all-rounder. Don't restrict yourself to the academics. And the backbench students, don't restrict yourself to the sports, might be singing or games or anything. But slowly start learning the things. And practice makes man perfect in anything. There was a shopkeeper living with the child. There was a shopkeeper living with son. And they used to sell the snacks. And they used to sell the snacks in the paper bags. And even now we can check nowadays in the shops, they give everything in the piece of papers, newspapers. So the father started scolding the son, try to learn how to prepare paper bags. So that is talent. When we give in the shops something, so they fold the paper like anything, papers, and like a bag they prepare and give the snacks or anything, groceries also. Where the son was not interested and he was not learning and he was getting scolded by the father every day. But one day the son said, you teach me how to prepare the paper bag. You teach me, I will learn. But the father scolded, you just watch and learn. You watch how I am preparing the bag, paper bag. You learn it. Some days went on like that. One day, the friend of the shopkeeper came suddenly to the shop and observed this discussion that way the child was not interested and he wants the father to teach how to prepare the paper bag. But the father version is, you should watch and learn it. The friend of the shopkeeper taken this son and father to the beach. He asked the father to swim in the beach. He said, no, I don't know, I can't. Then he said to the son, you swim in the beach. He was doing very nicely. Now he said to the shopkeeper, now you watch how your son is swimming, you learn it. No, I can't. Why? So the learning process is not just watching, that practice should be there. That when we start practicing, that we can do wonders backbench students. That practice makes man perfect. Might be not be backbench students might be not reaching the 80-90%, but really if you practice, you can reach some extent, maybe 50 to 60%. That's possible. Now it is almost all pre-board examination started and one exam already completed. And don't try to read any new things. You have the internal choice like anything. And don't try to learn the new question and answers. So whatever you have read, whatever you have prepared so far, you concentrate on that one. And even for the bright students also I tell you, don't try to learn any new things in any subject. So we have a lot of internal giants this year. So you concentrate. And one more thing I tell you, that how to write the paper is very important in the examination. You might be 90% student. Sometimes 90% student in board examination will be scoring 60%. But sometimes slow learner will be getting 60 to 70%. It is not about what you know, that how you present in the examination is also very, very important. How you present the paper. That's also very, very important, and how you are starting. And of course, and all the things will be trying very soon. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. I repeat again, life is just not academics, that life is not just a mechanic. You should be the all-rounder. Whatever the other skills in you, you should develop, you should continue. Thank you all.